Holi is incomplete without something sweet, and if you're anything like me, festival means proper mithai at home. Today I am making soft, juicy Mawa Malpua with chilled rabri, exactly the ones we get in festive melas, but even better because it's homemade. So चलिए बनाते हैं. First I am taking 1 cup of dhab mawa. Dhab mawa बहुत ज़्यादा soft होता है, एकदम smooth होता है. And that gives that authentic Halwai style texture to Malpua. Into this I am adding half cup of warm milk and mixing it really well until the mawa melts completely and becomes smooth. Take your time here, we don't want lumps. ऐसे करके धीरे धीरे करके हम इसको अच्छे से mix करेंगे ताकि एकदम melt हो जाए. Now I am adding 1.5 cups of maida, that is all purpose flour, and mixing again gradually. Actually I have added milk little by little until I get a smooth फ्लोइंग बैटर कंसिस्टेंसी. यहाँ पर दूध एक साथ बिल्कुल भी मत यूज़ कीजिएगा, ग्रेजुअली थोड़ा थोड़ा करके ऐड करेंगे क्योंकि बैटर बहुत ज़्यादा रनी नहीं होना चाहिए, नॉट टू थिक एंड ऑब्वियसली नॉट टू रनी. धीरे धीरे करके करेंगे ना तो आराम से बैटर बन जाता है. Once the batter is smooth, I am adding 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and half teaspoon fennel seeds. These two ingredients add that beautiful festive aroma. I have added it properly to incorporate some air. This helps in making soft malpuas. Cover and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the rabri. In a pan, I am taking 1 liter full fat milk and bringing it to a boil. It's super easy, trust me, and very delicious. I have soaked some saffron strands in warm milk and I have let it rest for at least 10 minutes. And then after that, I am adding cardamom powder, mixing well so that I just get that beautiful aroma. And then I am adding the saffron milk and look at that beautiful color already. And after that I am adding chopped almonds for texture. Next goes a little mawa for richness and about 3 tablespoons of condensed milk for the sweetness. And you can even add sugar if you want, but I haven't added because I will be making sugar syrup. Let this cook until it thickens beautifully. Once done, you can just transfer it to any another bowl and let it chill. Thick, creamy rabdi is ready. If you want, you can have this with any chapati or roti. You will just love it. It's very delicious to have. Now for the sugar syrup, I am adding 1 cup sugar and 1 cup water. Let it boil nicely. Add a few strands of saffron, which is purely optional, and cook until it becomes slightly sticky. We don't need one string consistency but slightly syrupy. Now comes the best part, frying the malpuas. Heat ghee or oil in a pan on medium heat. Pour 1 ladle of batter and let it spread naturally. Cook on medium flame until golden on both the sides. Make sure you don't rush for this step. Slow cooking gives that perfect color and crisp edges. Once done, remove them and drain the excess oil the way I am showing you right now, because it actually absorbs a lot of oil. And now dip the warm malpuas into the warm sugar syrup for 2 to 3 minutes so they soak up all that sweetness. And then finally plate them beautifully and pour chilled rabri generously on the top. Just look at that, soft juicy malpua with thick creamy rabri, pure festive happiness. If this made you crave something sweet, don't forget to hit the like button. It really supports my channel. Comment below and tell me, are you making this for your Holi or not? And if you are new here, please subscribe and join this little family. Wishing you all a very happy Holi, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Take care and